How to change PIN of your Amazon Prime Video app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Amazon Prime Video app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to change the PIN of your Amazon Prime Video account, you need to go to your settings first. Here in this home screen, at the bottom right corner, you can see your account's icon. Tap on it. Now in this page, at the top right corner, you can see the settings gear icon. Tap on it. In the settings menu page, here you can see the option of parental controls. Tap on it. Over here, you can see this change Prime Video PIN option. Tap on it. It will prompt you to the sign in page of the Amazon Prime Video. You need to first log into your account, and after you are logged in, you can easily change the PIN of your account. Make sure to set up the secured and strong PIN number, which will be easy for you to remember. Once you are done, you can tap on the Save Changes and you will be able to successfully change the PIN of your Amazon Prime Video account. So that's a very easy process to change PIN of your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.